Welcome to Nova, your source for smart and simple healthy living. In this video, we're sharing easy meal prep ideas to help you eat well all week long. These time-saving tips make healthy eating effortless and stress-free. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Nova for more practical nutrition and meal planning ideas. Let's get prepping. 1. Start with a weekly meal plan on paper or screen before buying groceries. Outline meals for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for 7 full days. Use a calendar or notebook to match meals with your work schedule, school time, or family routines. Plan easy meals on busy days and leave room for variety or leftovers to avoid food waste at home. Choose recipes that use similar ingredients to simplify your grocery list and reduce kitchen stress. Having a plan prevents last-minute fast food runs or skipping meals due to confusion or fatigue. 2. Choose simple recipes with minimal ingredients. Select recipes that use 5 to 10 ingredients to save time and avoid long hours in the kitchen daily. Simple meals reduce prep and cleanup while still offering great flavor and complete nourishment. Focus on one-pot dishes, sheet pan meals, or slow cooker recipes that cook while you work or rest. Avoid recipes with complicated steps or rare ingredients that cost more and create kitchen stress. Use familiar foods and flavors that your family enjoys to ensure the meals are eaten and enjoyed. Simple recipes make batch cooking easier and reduce mistakes or last-minute ingredient changes. You will feel less overwhelmed and more excited to cook when recipes are quick and easy to follow. 3. Prep ingredients ahead in batches for efficiency. Washing, chopping, and portioning vegetables in advance saves time throughout your entire week. Use containers to separate ingredients by recipe and store in the refrigerator or freezer safely. Cook grains, proteins, or sauces in batches to reuse in multiple meals like salads, bowls, or wraps. Label and date containers to keep your fridge organized and avoid guessing what needs to be eaten. Prepped ingredients speed up dinner time and reduce the temptation to order takeout or skip meals. Batch prepping reduces stress and ensures you always have healthy options ready during busy times. You can spend 1 or 2 hours twice a week preparing basics that keep meals fast and nutritious. 4. Use versatile foods that work in many meals. Cook once and eat multiple times by choosing foods that can be reused in different combinations. Roast a big tray of vegetables to add to salads, bowls, wraps, sandwiches, or pasta dishes all week. Grilled chicken, tofu, or beans can be mixed into tacos, stir-fries, or soup to change the flavor daily. Make a large batch of brown rice, quinoa, or oats to use in different meals for variety and savings. Boiled eggs work for breakfast, salads, and quick snacks when hunger hits unexpectedly at home. Having basic ingredients cooked helps you mix and match meals quickly without cooking again. Sauces like hummus, salsa, or vinaigrette add flavor and keep repeat meals interesting and fun. 5. Organize your fridge and pantry for easy access. A clean and organized fridge makes meal prep easier and encourages healthier choices every time. Store prepped ingredients in clear containers so you can quickly see what is available for each meal. Keep snacks like cut fruit, vegetables, and nuts at eye level to grab instead of unhealthy choices. Label shelves or use bins to keep similar items together like dairy, greens, or cooked proteins. Keep your pantry stocked with essentials like grains, beans, oils, herbs, and canned tomatoes. A tidy kitchen reduces stress and helps you follow your meal plan without wasting time searching. Rotate older items to the front so they get used before expiration and prevent unwanted waste. Check expiration dates weekly to ensure nothing is spoiled or forgotten behind larger items. 6. Use theme nights to simplify weekly planning. Assigning each night a meal theme makes planning easier and adds variety without extra confusion. Try meatless Monday, taco Tuesday, or soup Sunday to give structure and creativity to your meals. Themes help reduce the time spent thinking about what to cook and streamline your grocery shopping. Knowing the weekly plan removes decision fatigue and keeps you from resorting to takeout last minute. Rotate different ingredients under the same theme to keep meals exciting but still predictable. For example, switch between lentils, beans, or tofu for meatless Monday without changing the concept. Theme nights help build weekly rhythm and turn meal prep into an enjoyable routine you will follow. They also make it easier to involve family members in choosing meals and preparing them together. This method supports both flexibility and routine, which keeps your eating habits consistent daily. 7. Prep snacks and breakfasts for the entire week. Preparing breakfast and snacks in advance helps you avoid skipping meals or reaching for junk food. Make overnight oats smoothie packs or egg muffins that you can grab quickly on busy mornings. Cut fruit, vegetables, and portion out nuts or yogurt to keep your snacks ready and within easy reach. Snacks are where many people lose progress, so prepping them ahead prevents last-minute bad choices. Prepped breakfasts help stabilize blood sugar early and set a healthy tone for your entire day. Use reusable containers to store meals by day so you do not need to guess what is ready to eat. Snacks like hummus and carrots or apples and peanut butter keep energy levels steady between meals. Include protein in your morning meals to prevent cravings and keep you full longer into the afternoon. 8. Freeze portions for future busy days. Cooking and freezing extra portions of meals saves time, money, and energy when life gets unpredictable. Use freezer-safe containers to store soups, stews, casseroles, or cooked grains for easy reheating later. Label everything with name and date so you know what is available and when it should be eaten. Frozen meals prevent the need for unhealthy fast food on days when you are tired or running late. Batch cook double portions and freeze half so future meals are ready without any extra effort. Reheat frozen meals in the oven or stovetop for better taste and texture compared to microwave alone. Keep a freezer inventory list so you remember what meals are stored and do not waste any food. Use silicone freezer trays for sauces or grains to portion exactly what you need with no leftovers. 9. Build balanced meals with core nutrients. Each meal should include protein, fiber, healthy fat, and complex carbohydrates for full nourishment. This combination keeps you satisfied, reduces cravings, and supports stable blood sugar all day. Include lean proteins like chicken, tofu, beans, eggs, or fish to build strong muscles and energy levels. Add whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, or barley for sustained energy and fiber intake daily. Use healthy fats like avocado, nut seeds, or olive oil to support brain health and skin glow naturally. Fill half your plate with vegetables for vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that boost immunity. Balance reduces the urge to snack between meals and supports consistent energy without crashes. It also helps with digestion by providing the right mix of bulk, moisture, and protein to process food. 10. Reflect and adjust weekly for ongoing success. At the end of each week, review what worked well, what did not, and what you want to improve next. Track which meals you enjoyed and which ones were difficult so you can update your plan for success. Ask yourself if you stayed within your budget and if your plan helped reduce stress around eating. Make note of ingredients that ran out quickly or stayed unused to adjust your grocery list properly. Reflection helps make meal planning more effective and sustainable with each passing week. Involve family members or roommates in reviewing the week so the plan works for everyone at home. Do not aim for perfection, but rather progress as each week builds stronger habits in small steps. Adjust portions, cooking times, or schedules to make next week's meals even smoother and simpler. Now you've got simple, healthy meal prep ideas to keep your week on track. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments. If this video made meal planning easier, like it and subscribe to Nova for more smart tips on nutrition, cooking, and better living. Thanks for watching. Eat well, stay organized, and we'll see you in the next one.